We got a 409 Chevy, 62, I'm assuming. I used to have a 62, I should damn well know, but I think it's a 62. Yeah, let's see if it says so on it. It's an SS, a real one. So, it's a 409, which was the hot truck motor. Everybody back then, I think it's a 62, yeah. It's not a 64, that's for sure. So anyway, but that was the hot setup back then. You 348 with the 409 heads. You'd always see that. You wouldn't see too many 409s, but you see 348s with 409 heads. It's got the 4-speed in there. So this is a fast car, man. And you look at the interior, the sculptedness of the center console, and also the way you, instead of just having a shifter come up from the floor, it's got the aluminum design on there with the the flags with the I gotta talk because it's damn music, and also the what do you call it, rear speaker in the back. So anyway, and you also have your deluxe hubcaps on it. So anyway, gotta get off here because they have damn music, man. So anyway.